There are like 10,000 AI tools out right now, and you need maybe 5 of them. I've tested an embarrassing number of these, and most are the same thing with a different logo. So here are the 5 I actually open every week and what each one is for. Quick ground rule before we start. I'm not getting paid to put anything on this list in some ranking order, and 2 of these are completely free. The goal is simple. By the end, you'll have a small stack that covers research, building, writing, audio, and getting stuff out the door. No 14 subscriptions. 5 tools, each with one clear job. Let's get to number 1 because it's the one everything else plugs into. This is the one you already know, so I'll keep it short and useful. Every other tool on this list is faster when you feed it something this one wrote: outlines, first drafts, turning a messy idea into a plan, rewriting an email so you don't sound angry when you are. The thing most people get wrong. They treat it like Google. It's not a search box. It's the coworker you hand half-finished work to. The more context you give it, the less generic it gets. I run Claude for anything writing heavy and ChatGPT when I need the plugins. Last week, I dumped my whole messy to-do list in, and it caught 2 things I double-booked. Free tier is fine for most people. You only pay when you start using it for hours a day, which, fair warning, you will. Here's where the standard chatbots fall short. Ask them about anything recent, and you're rolling the dice on made-up facts. Perplexity fixes that. It searches the web in real time and shows you the sources under every answer so you can actually check it. I use it for anything where being wrong has a cost, comparing 2 products before I buy, checking if a stat is real, getting up to speed on a topic in 5 minutes instead of opening 20 tabs. It saved me last month when I almost quoted a pricing number that turned out to be 2 years old. It still trips on really niche topics, so I double-check those. Also free to start, that's 2 for 2. The next one is the tool that genuinely surprised me the most this year, and it's the one that makes the affiliate question comments show up. So let me be straight with you about that. This is the one that made me sit up. Lovable lets you build an actual working web app or website by describing it in plain English. Not a mock-up, a real thing with a database and a login that you can put online. I built a small internal tool in an afternoon that I'd have paid a developer for a year ago. Did it need cleanup? Yeah. Did it work? Also, yeah, I built a client intake form with a real database in 1 afternoon. It choked on the payment step, and I cleaned that up by hand, but the core thing shipped. Full disclosure. The Lovable link in the description is a referral link, so I get some credits if you sign up through it. Costs you nothing extra, and I only put it here because I genuinely use the thing. If you make any kind of content, this is the one people ask me about the most. ElevenLabs does AI voiceover that actually sounds human, plus dubbing, sound effects, the works. The realistic part matters. Most AI voices have that flat, dead giveaway robot rhythm. This one you can actually direct, slow down, add emphasis. The voice quality is good enough that nobody in my comments has called it out. The catch: weird brand names still come out wrong, so I fix pronunciation by hand every single time. Same deal as before, the link's a referral, I use it, no extra cost to you. There's a free tier to test it before you commit. Last one, and it's the one that saves me at the finish line. Gamma turns a few bullet points into a clean presentation or a polished doc in about a minute. I'm bad at slide design, and I don't enjoy it. This skips the part I hate and gets me to done. No affiliate link on this one, by the way. I just use it. It's fully replaced my old slide tool. I haven't opened PowerPoint in months, so that's the stack. The Brain for thinking, Perplexity for research you can trust, Lovable for building, ElevenLabs for audio, Gamma for shipping, 5 tools, 3 of them free to start, and together they cover most of what people juggle 15 apps for. All the links are in the description. The Lovable and ElevenLabs ones are referral links, so they help the channel at no cost to you, and I only listed tools I actually open. If this saved you from downloading another 12 apps you'll never use, subscribe. I test this stuff so you don't have to. Next video, I'm putting Lovable up against the other build an app by typing tools to see which one actually ships something usable, because not all of them do. That one's going to get me in trouble. See you there.